Remove the CVT hose by loosening its clamp with a 3 mm Allen key. Unlock the seat and lift the seat. Remove 2 screws from the rear side covers, left hand side and right hand side. Remove the storage compartment by opening its 4 bolts with a 10 mm T handle in a crisscross pattern. Slide the rubber boot from the adjuster and lock nut. Ensure that the lock nut 2 of the starter cable at the carburetor end is fully tightened to the base. Slide back the rubber boot on the adjuster and lock nut. Now install the storage compartment by tightening its 4 bolts with a 10 mm T handle in a crisscross pattern. Tighten 2 screws to the rear side covers, left hand side and right hand side. Push the seat down to lock it to its position. Now install the CVT hose by tightening its clamp with a 3 mm Allen key. Remove the upper cover by opening 2 screws from the leg shield side. Slide the upper cover down to remove it from the lug of the headlight assembly. While holding the starter knob, tighten the starter nut with a special service tool from the opposite side of the leg shield. Now slide the upper cover upwards to install it into the lug of the headlight assembly. Install the upper cover by tightening its 2 screws to the leg shield side.